If you are over 60 and you ever stand up and suddenly feel dizzy, lightheaded, or unsteady, please listen closely. This is one of the most common reasons seniors fall. And the most dangerous part is this: the first 10 seconds after you stand up can be the most dangerous 10 seconds of your day. Before we begin, please hit like and subscribe. It helps this channel reach more families who need practical senior health guidance. Now comment dizzy and tell me your age range. 60 to 64, 65 to 74, or 75 plus. I will reply with a simple checklist you can save. Stay with me because in a moment I will give you a 20-second test you can do at home to understand your dizziness pattern. Then I will show you a 1-minute routine that can reduce dizzy episodes dramatically. And near the end I will explain the red flags that mean dizziness is not just a blood pressure drop and you should get emergency help. This video is educational information, not personal medical advice. If you have sudden face drooping, sudden arm weakness, trouble speaking, sudden vision loss, or severe dizziness with new weakness, call emergency services immediately. Now let me start with a real-life story that happens in homes every day. A woman named Mary, age 72, woke up at 2 a.m. to use the bathroom. She stood up quickly because she felt urgency. The room dimmed for a second. Her legs felt soft. She reached for the wall, but she kept moving because she did not want an accident. 2 steps later she slipped. She did not break a bone, but she hit her shoulder and could not lift her arm for weeks. When her family asked what happened, she said something simple: "I just stood up too fast." That is the shock most people do not realize. Many seniors who fall were not careless. Their body simply lost blood pressure for a moment when they stood up. That moment is enough to make vision dim, balance fail, and legs feel weak. Then one step becomes a fall, and one fall can change everything. Now let us make the problem easy to understand. When you are lying down, blood is spread more evenly through your body. When you stand up, gravity pulls blood down toward your legs. Your brain needs steady blood flow every second. So your body must react fast. It tightens blood vessels. It increases heart work slightly. It pushes blood back upward. This reaction is controlled by a reflex system that senses pressure changes and corrects them quickly. After 60, that reflex can become slower for many reasons. Blood vessels can be stiffer. Nerves that control vessel tightening can respond more slowly. Blood medications reduce your ability to compensate. The result is a brief drop in blood pressure right when you stand. That brief drop can cause dizziness, black spots in vision, weakness, or that feeling that you might faint. Here is the first wow moment. Dizziness is often predictable, not random. It happens at the same times and in the same situations. If you can predict it, you can prevent it. Now I want to clarify what kind of dizziness you feel, because this helps you respond correctly. Lightheadedness feels like fainting, like your vision dims, like you might black out. It often improves quickly when you sit down. Vertigo feels like spinning, like the room moves. Imbalance feels like drifting, veering, or unsteady walking. Many seniors experience a mix, but the most important danger is the same. Falls happen during the transition from sitting or lying down to standing and walking. Now here is the 20-second home test. This is not a diagnosis, it is a safety tool. When you feel dizzy after standing, do this immediately. Sit back down safely, breathe slowly. Notice if symptoms improve within 30 to 60 seconds. If it improves quickly with sitting, that often points toward a standing blood pressure drop. If it feels like spinning and lasts longer, inner ear causes may be involved. If it comes with new weakness, speech trouble, or face drooping, treat it as emergency. Now do a quick neurological safety check. When dizziness happens, smile and see if the face is even. Raise both arms and hold them for 10 seconds. Say one clear sentence out loud. If any of these are abnormal and sudden, do not assume it is simple standing dizziness. Call emergency services. Now the biggest mistake many seniors make is pushing through dizziness. They stand up, feel dizzy, and keep walking because they want to reach the bathroom or the kitchen. That is when the fall happens. The correct move is to stop, sit, reset, and then stand again slowly. Now I will give you the 1-minute routine that many clinicians wish every senior used. This is the routine that makes people say, "Wow, this is so simple, why did nobody tell me earlier?" I call it sit, pump, pause. Step 1, sit. If you are in bed, roll to your side and sit up slowly. Put both feet on the floor. Do not jump up. Step 2, pump. Lift your toes up and down 10 times. Then rotate each ankle slowly for 10 seconds. Then squeeze your thighs and release a few times. This activates your calf and leg muscles. Your calves act like a second heart. They pump blood upward. Step 3. Pause. Stand up slowly while holding a stable surface. Pause for 10 seconds. Do not walk immediately. Let blood pressure stabilize. Then take your first 5 steps slowly. This routine takes less than 1 minute. But it changes your risk level because it prevents the sudden drop that happens when you rush. Here is the second wow moment. Many seniors try to fix dizziness by moving faster, as if speed will beat the dizziness. Speed makes it worse. Slower transitions make it better. Control beats speed. Now I promised a mini quiz to help you spot your personal pattern. This is important because awareness is prevention. Mini quiz. Answer yes or no in your head. Question 1. Do you feel dizzy most often in the first minute after standing up? Question 2. Do you feel dizzy more in the morning or in the middle of the night? Question 3. Do you feel dizzy more after a hot shower or a hot bath? Question 4. Do you feel dizzy more after a large meal? Question 5. Do you feel dizzy more after taking blood pressure medication or a diuretic? Question 6. Do you ever see black spots or dim vision when you stand? Question 7. Do you ever feel your heart racing or fluttering when dizziness happens? If you answered yes to 1 or 2 questions, your body is giving you clues. If you answered yes to 3 or more, you are not dealing with random dizziness. You are dealing with a pattern. And patterns can be fixed. Now let us translate your answers into action. If it happens in the morning or at night, the sit pump pause routine is your best tool because pressure is often lower during sleep and transitions are more intense. If it happens after hot showers, lower the water temperature and stand up slowly after the shower. Heat opens blood vessels and can lower pressure. If it happens after large meals, stand up slowly after eating and consider smaller meals. After meals, blood moves toward digestion and pressure can drop more in older adults. If it happens after certain medications, log the timing and discuss with your clinician. Many adjustments can reduce symptoms without stopping important treatment. If you feel heart racing, seek medical evaluation because rhythm issues can cause dizziness. Now let us go deeper into the most common causes, because this is where the value becomes clear. Cause 1. Dehydration. Many seniors drink less water to avoid bathroom trips. Many wake up dehydrated after sleeping. Dehydration lowers blood volume. Lower blood volume makes blood pressure drop stronger when you stand. A practical fix. Hydrate earlier in the day, not all at night. If you often feel dizzy in the morning, start with water after you are safely seated. If you have heart failure or kidney restrictions, follow your clinician guidance. But for many seniors, stable hydration during the day reduces dizziness. Cause 2. Medication timing. Blood pressure medications lower pressure. Diuretics reduce fluid. Some medications for prostate symptoms can lower standing blood pressure. Some sleep aids can cause unsteadiness. I am not saying stop medication. I am saying track back when dizziness happens. Bring that log to your clinician. This is one of the fastest ways to get a safer plan. Cause 3. Post-meal pressure drop. After you eat, blood moves toward digestion. Some older adults experience a stronger drop after meals. Standing up quickly after a large meal can trigger dizziness. A practical fix. Stand up slowly after meals, especially dinner. If it happens often, discuss it with your clinician because meal size, hydration and medication timing can all matter. Cause 4. Heat exposure. Hot showers and hot baths widen vessels. That can lower pressure. Then standing up causes a bigger drop. A practical fix. Keep showers lukewarm and stand up slowly after. Cause 5. Alcohol. Alcohol can dehydrate you and widen vessels. That combination increases dizziness and fall risk, especially at night. Cause 6. Low blood sugar in some people with diabetes. Low blood sugar can cause sweating, shakiness, weakness and confusion. If you have diabetes and you get nighttime dizziness, talk with your clinician about patterns. Cause 7. Anemia and low oxygen delivery for some people. If you feel dizzy frequently and unusually tired, evaluation matters. Cause 8. Heart rhythm issues. An irregular rhythm can reduce stable blood flow. If dizziness is accompanied by palpitations or a racing irregular heartbeat, seek medical evaluation. Now let us talk about home safety. Because even if the cause is simple, the fall risk is real. If your dizziness happens at night, do not gamble with darkness. Use a night light from bed to bathroom. Remove loose rugs. Clear the path. Wear slippers with grip. Keep a stable support point near the bed. If needed, use a cane or walker for nighttime trips. This is not weakness. This is risk management. Now the part that protects lives. When is dizziness a stroke warning? Most standing dizziness episodes are not stroke. But you must know the red flags. Call emergency services if dizziness comes with sudden face drooping, sudden arm or leg weakness, trouble speaking, sudden confusion that is unusual, sudden vision loss, severe sudden headache, or inability to walk with new weakness. Also seek urgent care if you faint, if you fall and hit your head, or if you have chest pain or severe shortness of breath. Now let me give you 3 quick scenes so you can recognize yourself. Scene 1. You wake up at night, you jump up fast, the room dims, you grab the wall, you keep walking anyway. That is the fall setup. The fix is sit, pump, pause, and a nightlight. Scene 2. You stand up from the couch after a large meal, you feel lightheaded. You sit back down and it improves quickly. That suggests a pressure drop. The fix is slower transitions, smaller meals, hydration earlier, and discussing medication timing if it happens often. Scene 3. You stand up and feel dizzy, but your right arm feels heavy, and speech feels thick. That is not a typical standing dizziness episode. That can be a neurological warning. Call emergency services. Now let us lock this in with the simplest recap possible. If you feel dizzy when you stand up after 60, do not push through it. Sit down. Breathe. Reset. Use sit, pump, pause. Sit up slowly. Pump ankles 10 times. Stand slowly and pause 10 seconds. Walk slowly. Make the home safer. Night light. Clear path. No loose rugs. Grip footwear. Stable support points. Track patterns. Morning, night, after meals, after hot showers, after medications. Know the red flags. Face, arms, speech, vision. New weakness. Now practice once with me right now. If you are seated, lift your toes up and down 10 times. Now circle your ankles slowly. Now stand up slowly and pause for 10 seconds. That is the routine. Now take one action today. Put a night light in the path to your bathroom. Then commit to 10 ankle pumps before you stand up every time, day or night. After you try it, come back and comment done. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe. Share it with one family member over 60. And comment dizzy with your age range so I can reply with a simple checklist you can save. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and move with control.